How to import reviews from Amazon to your Shopify store. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to do this step by step and completely for free. So let's just go ahead and get to it. So the first thing is going to be installing a specific app. So we just want to go to the App Store. So click on Apps, All Recommended Apps, and then just click on Shopify App Store. From here, we simply just want to go to the search bar and type in Ali Reviews. From here, we just want to click on this one right over here, which is the tick with the color pink around it. So click on install one more time. And from here, we just want to pick the pricing plan. So we're just going to go for the free one. And from here, we just want to click on import reviews on the left panel. This is going to show us all the different products that we have on our store. So we're just going to select any of them. Click on import reviews. From here, we simply just want to click on Amazon. Copy this name of the Chrome extension that we need to install and go to Chrome Store or for the extension store. From here, we simply just want to paste this in, which is the extension we need, and install this to your browser. Click on Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and you should be good to go. So the next step is going to be going to Amazon, finding a product that you want to import the reviews from, and you should be able to see this on the right side. Just go in and click on it, and this is going to allow you to import your products. But first, you will need to log into your Shopify store. So just go in and click on log into Shopify. And lastly, you simply just want to click on this reload, pick the product you want to import reviews for. Obviously, make sure you have the product selected, and then just click on scan reviews. I'm going to stop the scan, click on import 50 reviews. And it should say that it is successful and it has imported these reviews. Coming back to your application on Shopify, we can simply click on Manage Reviews, View by Products, select the product that you want, and you can feel free to remove or edit any of the reviews that are available in here, and you should be good to go. And lastly, you can just go in and open up the product page, and you should be able to see all the different reviews over here. Side note, if it doesn't work for you the first time, just be sure to go to your theme, go to app embeds, and be sure that these are turned on because if they're not, it's not going to actually show you. With that, I hope this video was helpful for you, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.